So are you
Right.
telling me that gone are the days of press 1 to speak to customer service and press 4 and then speak 0 for an attendant?
I am telling you that. If you don't need to do that. You just have to say, I have this problem, and here comes the response.
Right.
They might ask you for more information or just give you the answer.
Got it.
But the advantage here is that while we may front with some bot, it's easy to say I want to talk to a live agent, and we offer those capabilities and services as well.
Right.
And if an agent is interacting with a customer, we do things to help the agent respond better, um, help them formulate answers, help them retrieve data, help them form well structured English or other language sentences, so that variation in humans, how we speak, etc., can be quite different. Then we can be a little bit of an assistant for humans as well.
Got it.
So yes, so this is not 100% bots only, but there are many situations where you and I would still like to speak with a human.